It's your girl, Denise Joy. Welcome to another episode of Transformation for Your Home. Whether it's DIY or professional help, you can make your home a destination you'll love. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Denise Joy, designer at the Furaha Method of Joyful Design. By the way, Furaha means joyful in Swahili. Real quick, please give this video a like and hit the subscribe button. It really helps with the algorithm. And when you get a chance, please share this video. I'd really appreciate it. In this video, I'm sharing my New Orleans living room makeover. Oh yeah, your girl does remote design. This client and we're friends in social media. She saw one of my posts saying I was visiting family in New Orleans. She messaged me, asked me would I come by to see her home because she needed some help. Of course, I said yes. So I stopped by to see her beautiful shotgun-style home. She had just moved in. That's why the room is pretty much empty. She told me all about her grand vision for her living room, and I told her, you got the right one. I'm your girl. This is a fabulous new build, open concept, and the kitchen is stunning. So this living room deserves to be equally as stunning. While there, she told me more about her vision and that she'd already purchased this comfy sofa in this bold green fabric. She wanted classic pieces and an accent wall. I had my marching orders. She also showed me a couple of inspiration rooms, which were really helpful. So I flew back home and put together a design plan. For all design services, I put together a mood board, meet with the client, and then we finalized the design decisions. For the accent wall, I gave the client a couple of paint options. She bought sample size paints, put them on the wall, sat with them a little while, and finally, we settled on Honey Tea by Bear. For remote design, I send the client a furnishing proposal and it lists all the items that need to be purchased. Once those items start to arrive, the client just takes a quick picture and shoots it to me via text. Easy peasy. Once everything arrived, I flew back to New Orleans because it's my favorite design day, the load-in, staging, and styling day. As soon as I hit the ground, I headed to Lowe's. Had to pick up some privacy film to solve a little problem in the client's home. The custom sofa had arrived in all of its gorgeous green glory. As well, all of the other furnishings, decor, and wall art had already arrived. We did have one issue. One of the panels of artwork was damaged, so now I had to alter my vision for styling the wall art. Keep an eye on that door so you can see the magic of privacy film. The client wanted a lot of vibrancy in this room, but I also toned it down by adding classic neutrals. The reveal is up next. Here we go. What a room! So I'm naming this room From Empty Shell to Elegant Fun. Let me know what you think about this transformation in the comment section below. I solved a couple of problems with this design. Number one, I filled the room with things the homeowner absolutely loves. Number two, I made sure to create a bridge and a relationship between her stunning black and white kitchen and her colorful new living room. The white console table at the back of the sofa serves as a transition point between that black and white kitchen and the living area. Of course, her gorgeous sofa is the star in the room. All other design choices worked around that beautiful sofa. Originally, I ordered 4 panels of artwork, but one was damaged, so I ended up designing it like this. I don't think I did too bad, and the client loves it. And that's what really matters. Every time I design a room, it's done the custom on a budget way. This client repurposed her display unit. She already had it. Why not use it? It used to be under the TV. Now it sits wonderfully right under these windows. I promised the client classic pieces and delivered with this walnut coffee table and complimentary side tables. That kind of wood lasts a lifetime. And it makes great legacy pieces to hand down to a loved one. Not only does this client love color, she loves pattern and texture. So why not go a little funky with the credenza and get one that has this gorgeous geometric pattern on it? It's a great way to display family photos and other memorabilia. Don't neglect your lighting. On the side table, the lighting has a pop of color with their urn-like base. The rust color in the lamps really complements the caramel tone in the low back accent chair. I also added the overhead arched floor lamp and some task lighting sitting on the console right behind the sofa. This home has gorgeous hardwood floors, but the design needed to be anchored with an area rug. So I chose a low pile rug that brought all of the neutral colors together in the room and had that pop of rust. From empty shell to elegant fun, this New Orleans home is ready for Fat Tuesday. If you enjoy HGTV style shows, be sure to check out my show, DIY DUO Redesign, here on my channel. It's full of custom on a budget wow factor. The link to the show is in the description box below. Thank you so much for swinging by my channel. Why don't you go ahead and click the link and watch one of my videos right now? Hey, you might even binge watch a few. So I will see you in the next video.